friends, just a quick, I'm playing in my book here, and this is just my journal book that I play in quite often, and I'm just going to create this wet on wet, just really playful here, adding in some yellow, letting it flow, spreading it around. Lots of yellow here. I was thinking of this because I've been painting lots of sunflowers lately. And then in the bottom, I'm just going to add some green for my stems. Let that kind of wash around. Just really kind of doing an abstract here. There we go. And plain, plain, plain. Let's just hit that with the heat dryer real quick. My heat gun. And next, by the way, I'm going to use my micron pen and just go in and draw a few. Now this is pretty wet, so it's taking a little bit of time to dry. I might even soak up a little bit on the bottom here, like so. And once I get it reasonably dry, I'll go in with my pen and just draw some fun little sunflowers. So maybe one here. Just having some fun with these. Nothing crazy or perfect. I'm making all my little petals really interesting. Maybe that one's curved down. Just really wanted to create something fun here. Maybe some others like this. And then our little stem, I'll do another one right here. And just keep going. As you can see, I'm doing this very freehand, but look at how cute this is. I mean, this would be a really cute card, I think. Just very freehand, having fun. Look at how fun that is. Then there we go. We could maybe do a big giant leaf. One coming out here. And same here. Maybe that one curls around. This is really where sometimes I just have the most fun. Do some little squiggles and circles in the middle here. Same thing over here. So I'm playing with this micron pen, which can be so much fun. But look at when you just allow yourself to play, how much fun you can have. And many times when I'm not putting that pressure on myself, I really come up with some unique and fun techniques. And I think, wow, that was really great. So just keep playing. And now I might go in, because you know me, I gotta have my sparkles, guys. So I'm gonna go in with maybe this gold and just do some fun little splatters here. I think I'll do splatters. There we go. I kind of like bouncing my brush off another brush. It just seems to work a little bit better. But have quite a bit of water mixed in, because I think that technique works best. And there you go. Now you could always go in and add a little bit more color to some little areas if you want, but I don't even think it's necessary. I'm kind of doing that now, but I think I love the washiness and kind of the randomness of this. So I'm gonna leave that like that. And get in your little books, your journals. I play with this journal all the time and have fun and create these simple little designs. That would be an adorable little easy card. All right, everybody, encouraging you to just have some fun and play.